Bullish ADA cost expectation for 2023 is $0.4253 to $0.5689. Cardano ADA cost could likewise reach $2 soon. Bearish ADA cost expectation for 2023 is $0.2521. In Cardano ADA cost forecast 2023, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about ADA to break down the future development of the digital money. What is Cardano ADA? Cardano ADA is the local badge of the Cardano blockchain. This practical blockchain utilizes the evidence of stake POS agreement system Ouroboros. This third-age blockchain at first existed as a Layer 1 arrangement. At last, the Layer 2 update, Hydra, was coordinated onto the current organization in late 2021. Cardano has been worked as an overhauled rendition of Ethereum's Brilliant Agreements organization. In addition, it means to scale the permissionless idea of the DeFi space and help the mission of banking the unbanked. Cardano ADA Value Forecast 2023. Cardano stands firm on the 7th foothold on CoinGecko at this moment. ADA cost forecast 2023 is made sense of underneath with a day-to-day time period. The above diagram of Cardano laid a climbing channel design, otherwise called the rising channel. The upper and lower pattern lines that interface the new records all around individually seem to move inside a rising slant. This example is for the most part a trait of a bullish pattern. As of now, Cardano ADA is in the scope of $0.403772. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of ADA could arrive at the obstruction levels of $0.4226 and $0.4586. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of ADA might tumble to $0.3871 and $0.3469. Cardano ADA backing and obstruction levels. The graph beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Cardano ADA. The graphs show that Cardano has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, ADA could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $0.5689. Likewise, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Cardano could fall to nearly $0.2521, a negative sign. Cardano ADA Value Forecast 2023 RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of Cardano is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of ADA lies beneath the N line, showing powerless members and the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal, MAMA, of Cardano is displayed in the graph above. Remarkably, the Cardano cost lies over 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is in an upswing. As of now, Cardano has entered a bullish state. Consequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Cardano whenever. In the meantime, the general strength file, RSI, of the ADA is 58.08. This implies that Cardano is in an overbought state. Notwithstanding, this implies a significant value inversion of Cardano might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Cardano ADA Value Expectation 2023 ADX RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list ADX of Cardano. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. By and large, the marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Cardano ADA. As of now, the ADX of ADA lies in the scope of 16.6152, and in this manner, it demonstrates serious areas of strength for A. The above graph additionally addresses the overall unpredictability file, RVI, of Cardano ADA. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of ADA lies over 50, showing high instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Cardano ADA is at 58.08, consequently affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of ADA with BTC ETH. The underneath outline shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Cardano ADA. From the above outline, it tends to be deciphered that ETH, BTC, and ADA are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and ADA additionally increment or reduction individually. Cardano ADA Value Expectation 2024 to 2030. Various variables are considered while gauging costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparable coins. We should anticipate the cost of Cardano, ADA, somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Cardano, ADA, could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ADA could energize to hit $4 by 2024. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2025. If Cardano, ADA, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, ADA would revitalize to hit $6. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2026. If Cardano, ADA, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, ADA would energize to hit $8. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2027. If Cardano, ADA, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, ADA would mobilize to hit $12. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2028. If Cardano, ADA, holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years, in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market, by driving critical cost rallies, ADA would hit $15 in 2028. Cardano, ADA, value forecast 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Cardano, ADA, it would observe significant spikes. ADA could hit $19 by 2029. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2030. With more prominent progressions in the Cardano biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into ADA for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Subsequently, Cardano, ADA, could hit $21 by 2030. And, with non-stop enhancements in the Cardano organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for ADA. Hence, the bullish value expectation of Cardano, ADA, in 2023 is $0.5689. Then again, the negative value expectation of Cardano, ADA, cost expectation for 2023 is $0.2521. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to the Cardano environment, the exhibition of ADA would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $3.09 very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach $2 in the event that the financial backers accept that ADA is a wise interest in 2023. 1. What is Cardano, ADA? Cardano, ADA,